big loss. Yorubas are finally leaving Nigeria after federal government are ordered to pay the agitator leader Sunday Igboho 20 billion naira after his winning in court. An Oyo State High Court sitting in Ibadan on Friday ordered the federal government of Nigeria to pay 20 billion to Sunday Adeyemo, popularly known as Igboho. According to the court, the money is for damages for the invasion of his residence at Soka area of Ibadan. Wow. This calls for celebration. What can be more interesting than what I've just been taking note of? That serves the Nigerian government right. I said it, that Nigeria will pay more than the damages they have caused on these activists. Sunday Igboho's own case is just a little compared to what Nigerian government are going to pay in the case of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. They will pay. You see, this country will be divided at last because there is nothing remaining in the reserve. Does Nigerian government actually have that kind of money to pay Sunday Igboho? Even if we have the money, is it not a big shame? Is it not a big shame? That serves them right. I give the Yoruba people a very big congratulations. I extend a congratulative handshake to the Yoruba people. It calls for jubilation. It calls for celebration. Can you imagine? Nigerian government feels that they can eat their cake and have it. They think that it is everybody that they see they will step on. Abi? You see, Wole Soyinka said it. He said it that Nigerian governments will be embarrassed. He said it that they will be embarrassed. He said that they will be finished if they dare go to court with these activists. Now look at it. They thought they are going to win Sunday Igboho. That is why they fast-tracked his own case. Why Nnamdi Kanu's own case? They decided to extend it. Nnamdi Kanu's own case is going to be what will make Nigeria to go dry completely because they will pay from their nose. They will pay through their nose. That money that is eating their head up, that oil money, Nnamdi Kanu said something before his capturing. He said that we are no longer in a hurry for Biafran freedom. Do you know why he said so? This is why he said so. It is the Nigerian government that will now call and say, please come and have your Biafran freedom. This Nnamdi Kanu's trial is what is going to cause that. Look at Sunday Igboho. He has won the case. It calls for celebration. The Yorubas, it's your time to celebrate. Enough is enough. This man called Sunday Igboho is actually fighting for the freedom of the Yoruba people just like Nnamdi Kanu is fighting. Just like Nnamdi Kanu is fighting for the freedom of the Igbos. You see that? Because he was fighting for a just cause, they went ahead and tagged in a Boko person, a name that he is not. The same thing they did to Nnamdi Kanu too. Yes. Nigerian government will now pay. They will pay for all of these things that they have cost these people. They will pay. Because they're the cause of all these problems. They're the cause. Can you imagine? My dear viewers, is this country not finished? Yes. Is this country not finished? Nigeria is finished. We are finished. If an individual can win a country in courts, it means that this country is nothing anymore. Look at Sunday Igboho, the guy they said that is a thug, that it doesn't have anything, that doesn't have anybody, and all of that. They labeled him a terrorist. They labeled him all sorts of names. The one that they handcuffed is now the victor. And now the federal government has now been instructed to pay him 20 billion. Nigeria doesn't have mouth again. We don't have mouth again at all. We don't. I'm telling you. That is it. That kind of money they are going to pay Sunday Igboho is what we call flexing money. Yes, the guy is going to flex their money, flex the federal government's money. Yes, he has gotten his own cake from the money that the federal government have been stealing. The money they are going to pay in Nnamdi Kanu's own case will be times 10 of what they are about to pay Sunday Igboho. You watch and see now. They know already. They know. That's why they are just pushing Nnamdi Kanu's case forward, because they know the atrocities that they themselves have committed. They are afraid to face Nnamdi Kanu's trial. They are afraid. Look, Buhari is looking for a way to call it off. My dear viewers, enough is enough. We have eaten enough feces from the federal government. Enough feces. All right. Let me hear from you anyway to know what you have to say on this very issue. Please don't forget to leave your comments below the comment section. Click on the subscription button as well as the bell buttons to get updated each time we upload any new videos. Thank you.